Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the chloroplast, which was taken from the Eastern Cape Education November 2018 exam. So let's jump in. The diagram below represents the structure of a chloroplast. Okay, so we've got this chloroplast and a whole bunch of labels pointing to various structures. Identify part C and structure D. So part C, which is pointing to this region here, this whole region throughout the chloroplast is known as the stroma. Stroma. For B, identify structure D. Structure D is pointing to this, and you see we've got a few of them. Those are your ribosomes. Ribosome. 1.6.2. Give the function of the part labeled A. A is pointing to this structure here. That is a starch granule. It stores starch. Stores starch. And 1.6.3. Name the part that will be active in light only. And the parts that are active in light only are these parts here, all of these things here. Those are your granum or grana, and those are made up of the thylakoids. So we'll go with granum as it's pointing to the whole structure. So 163 granum. And that's it. It'll give you your 4 marks. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.